Find out how easy it is to paint clover and you'll be rolling in it in no time. You can see the oval shapes using the number 6 filbert base coating with light orchid. I have my 1/2 inch angle. The toe has light orchid on it and the heel of the toe has plum on it. Now I stroked it on my palette so that I have a very sharp chisel edge, just touching it onto the surface and kind of fanning it out so that it creates a 1/2 and 1/2 flower petals. Reload often, just a very, very light touch. If your brush starts to get muddled together, you need to wash your brush and clean it. I've got my filbert, I'm loading it with plantation pine, and I just picked up just a touch on the corner of my brush. And I'm just pulling that around to create those, the base. And I'm letting that spa blue be the highlight on the top edge. I am using black plum, adding shadows around the base. Now we need to add a few leaves. I'm loading my filbert with plantation pine. Again, I'm just going to pick up a bit of that spa blue and I'm going to press, twist, and pull out to a point. And with that spa blue on there, it just automatically creates that little bit of shading that we need. Picking up some charcoal gray. I want to paint just a little bit of a drop shadow below and to the right of any of the foliage that's on the beehive. And this is a dramatic effect. I love doing this. It's huge. It gives a lot of depth and dimension. This is such a fun technique. I hope you give it a try. If you would like to watch the complete tutorial, it is available on my YouTube channel. Links for everything is listed in the description below.